2018 Acura TLXs sh-awd V6 with A-Spec. Car 01. Acura likes to tout tech as the selling point of its models, so the TLX offers front-wheel drive with rear-wheel steering or torque vectoring all-wheel drive to enhance its agility. The base powertrain is a 206 horsepower 2.4-liter inline-four with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, while a 290 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 with a 9-speed automatic is optional. The TLX has LED headlamps and electronic driving assistance such as road departure mitigation, collision mitigation braking, and lane keeping assist. For 2018, Acura wants to shoulder the TLX into consideration alongside the stronger company, rear-wheel drive four-doors such as BMW's 3 Series and Infiniti's Q50, with a new $2,900 A-Spec Sport trim. Designed to buff up the TLX's handling, the kit differs slightly depending on which drivetrain is ordered. On the top-of-the-line TLX V6 with Acura's torque vectoring super handling all-wheel drive system, as tested here, the A-Spec gains firmer dampers and springs, a larger diameter rear anti-roll bar, retuned electric power steering, and Michelin Primacy MXM4 tires in place of the regular model's taller-sidewall Goodyear Eagle LS-2 rubber. Front-drive A-Spec TLXs lack the stiffer rear anti-roll bar and the firmer springs. Every 2018 TLX adopts a sleek new 5-sided mesh grille wave goodbye to the maligned Acura beak look along with new bumpers and headlight and taillight detailing. The A-Spec ups the ante with dark gray 19-inch wheels, black exterior trim, and LED fog lights, all of which lend a sense of purposefulness sorely lacking from the 2015 original.